This is Vivo Y22s, and today I would like to share the top 5 pro tips and features for this device. So, for start, I'm going to demonstrate you can set up the fingerprint recognition feature. So launch your settings, go into the security category over here, then fingerprint, then choose what alternative method you'll use as your backup screen lock way. So I'll go with the pattern myself, draw the pattern that I'm going to use, then redraw it to confirm. Then choose what all notifications will be shown, and now we can start registering the fingerprint. The sensor is located at the side power button, so lay your finger onto the scanner gradually until the entire surface of your finger will be enrolled. So here I have mine added. Now we can start using it to unlock the screen. As you can see, it works just fine. It does not let another finger through, so great success. The following option is located and can be found at the display and brightness category. It is called the screen refresh rate. Here we have 3 values to choose from: standard 60 Hz, a higher value of 90 Hz, or smart switch that will set this option to the most appropriate value at any given time. Long story short, higher value will get you smoother animations, and 60 Hz, thus lower value, will provide you with less battery consumption. So decide or prioritize things in accordance with your current scenario. I suggest that you go ahead and just set it to smart switch and let the system decide, or should I rather say, let the system automatically change those values. So you will not have to do that manually. Moving to the next feature for this video, that is the whole category of settings that is called dynamic effects. In here you can enable interface dynamic effects, ambient light effect, home screen entering animation. So just customize your system. Face recognition animation if you'll set up the face unlock method. So as you can see, I do not have it added, so I'm not able to change it just yet. You can also change the charging animation, and USB insertion animation. And last but not least, you can also change the screen on and off animation as well. Alright, so the first tip is the smallest one for today. As you can see, currently at the status bar, I do not have my battery percentage next to the battery icon. In order for me to see how much battery I have left exactly, I'll need to swipe downwards and launch the control center. So if you would like for the battery percentage to be displayed right over here at all times, just enter the battery percentage or the battery category of settings and switch on the battery percentage toggle. And as for the fifth function for today, you'll find it at RAM and storage space category. Then open the RAM page. In here it is called the extended RAM. So basically, once activated, it extends your random access memory by for another 6 GB. It virtually allocates the same size of internal storage for it. So basically the way it goes is it is just turn on the switch. In my case it is already active, so turn on the switch by tapping over here. If it is gray, if it is blue like mine, this feature is enabled. Then restart the device, and after you will reboot the system, the changes will take effect. Alrighty, so that would be not only for the final tip, but for this video in general. Thank you so much for watching, thank you so much for your attention, and bye bye.